Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to tell you how you can fix Apple Pay not working. So I'm going to tell you 6 ways to fix this. So the number one is select phone and email address in Apple Pay. And secondly, what else you can do is hard restart your device. You can do it with volume up and down buttons, with side button, and maybe this will solve your issue. So the third one is remove and re-add your card on bank account. Hopefully sometime remove and re-add your card or bank account can solve this issue. If it didn't, number 4, what can you do is sign out and sign back into your Apple ID. That's also a way to fix this problem. On number 5, you can reset your settings. Just go into settings and tap on reset all settings. Maybe that can help you. If it didn't, number 6, you have to reset your device. So just go to your iPhone settings and restore your device. So I hope one of these solutions will solve your issue. If it will, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.